Let's get familiar with a few types of smoke detectors.
Aspirating smoke detectors, ASD. These are highly sensitive to diluted smoke over a large area. These use a small fan to suck in air and run controlled spectrographic analysis of the sample for smoke signals. ASDs are very good at detecting cooler smoke types and overloaded electrical cables. Ideal for data centers, historically listed properties, and properties with higher ceilings. Optical beam smoke detectors, OBSD. OBSDs are similar to ASDs in that they too are good at detecting diffuse smoke. They work by aiming a sensor at a light source and then monitoring changes in the light source, looking for patterns of disruption to the beam that could potentially indicate the presence of smoke. Ionizing smoke detectors, ISD. ISDs are the ones most commonly used in most offices and other workplaces. They contain sensors which react to the presence of free ions most commonly found in most forms of smoke. Excellent against concentrated, fast-flaming fires. Video smoke detectors, VSD. These are very useful for outdoor areas such as parks or woodland. They use computer algorithms to monitor a video feed to detect the presence of flame, smoke, or picture quality degradation that could potentially be the result of fire or smoke.
Fire wardens should become familiar with the variety of types of smoke detectors on the market, liaising with the first responsible person in the office to determine which type of smoke detector would be most suitable for their environment. If any faults are identified in any of these systems during either a risk assessment or general workplace observations, you should inform the first responsible person as soon as possible and make all necessary arrangements to get the system repaired. Now, before moving on to the next topic, it's imperative to take a moment and discuss some specific issues. When considering fire warning systems, you must be particularly aware of the issue presented if you only use one type of warning. Depending upon their type of disability, certain staff members may be unable to hear an alarm if it uses sound only. Equally, other disabled staff may not be able to see a flashing light. Other staff may be using noise-cancelling headphones or be in an environment where loud noises in the background are commonplace. Other options include personal pagers, ideally fitted with some kind of vibrating alarm system, a combination of sirens and lights, and a buddy system to ensure that a non-disabled staff member is paired with anyone who might have difficulty being warned in time by normal alarms.